Okay, writing systems of linear equations given a table of value of 2 points. So what we're going to do today is we're given the tables of ordered pairs represent some points on the graph of lines T and W. This is line T, this is one equation, and line W, second equation. The X and Y values are here and the points are given. This problem asks us to write the system of equations represented by lines T and W. Use slope-intercept form and standard form. So they want both forms. This is the slope-intercept form, and the standard form is AX plus BY equals C. Now, it's very easy to get the slope-intercept form from a table. You simply have to use the steps. So let's write our steps up here in the top corner. When given a table, and a table is the list of X and Y values, you're going to press Stat. Where is Stat located on the calculator? It's located right here next to the X button. That's X in this manual. That's the Stat button. Then once you press Stat, you're going to press 1 for Edit. What comes up is L1 and L2. That's where you put your X and your Y values. All right, so the X and Y values are here. So this is considered your L1. This is your L2. All right. Once you get your whole list in, then you're going to press Stat again. This is where students get confused. They don't know what to do after they get their list in. So once you get your list in, you're going to press Stat. Then you're going to go to the right and press the word Calc. The right button, is this one. So let's get started. Stat 1. Okay. And so here there's a list in there already. That means that I have not cleared my calculator. But all I simply do is go at the top, press clear, enter, clear, enter. So that gets my list. Once I put my list in, this is my list. So we're going to put in our list. 5, enter, 8, enter, 9, enter, 14, enter. Use the right button to go to the top. -8, enter, 1, enter, 4, enter, 19, enter. Then we press Stat again. So once we get our list, then we're going to press Stat. And then we're going to go over to Calc. In order to get to Calc, I have to press the right button. Then after that, we're going to choose 4 for linear regression. Where is 4? 4 is here. Then we're going to press Enter. My list is L1, L2. And here I wanted to store my regression in Y1. So when we get to store regression, we're going to press Alpha Trace and enter on Y1. So watch this. Alpha is green. Alpha, you see the A, trace, and enter. This stores it in Y1. Then we go down to calculate and we press enter. So after we do that, we go down to calculate, and we press enter. Now I squeezed all of this over the side. So these are our steps. So this is our equation for this one. And it's right here. Y equals 3x minus 23. The A is equal to 3. That's my rate of change, or my slope. And the B is equal to a negative 23. That's my y-intercept. Okay, so we have all our information right here. AX plus B. The A is 3. The B is a negative 23. right? So that's all in y1. If we press y equals, look, it's already there, right? Our equation is already in there for us. It's kind of blurry, but let's see if I can make it a little better. Okay, we can see it a little better. So our equation is already placed in our calculator for us because we did this step. This step right here, save it wherever you want it. So the next one we're going to save in y2. So we're not going to choose y1 that time. We're going to choose y2 next time. So that's our equation 2. So let's start. We start by stat, 1 for edit, and we're going to make a whole new list. So we go to the top, we press clear, then we press enter, and it disappears, okay? So go to the top, press clear, enter. So we're going to put in our values, -2, 0, 1, 5, 16, 12, 10, 2. Now, you have to match them up. It have to be correct. That's -216. I see it. Wow, there's the bell. Just a minute. Sorry about that disruption. That was the school bell. All right, so we have our list for equation 2. Now we're going to press stat. Stat. We're going to go over to calc. You press the right button to get on calc. Then we'll go down to 4. Press enter. That's L1, L2. And here we're going to press alpha trace. But this time we're going to choose 2 because we want this equation in y2. So it's going to put our equation in y2. And then we go down and press calculate. This is our equation. We're going to write that down. Y equals ax plus b. The a value is -2. My b value is 12. So my equation is y equals a -2x plus 12. And it's going to be in y2. Watch. Boom, it's there. So once you know that calculator trick, I just like to show students tricks. You got them both there. If I want to know anything about these, if I wanted to find the solution, I could by pressing graph and finding the solution. Where are these? There we go. They intersect. Where they intersect is the solution. So I'm press second trace 5. It doesn't ask us to do this, but I just want to find the solution. The solution at 7, -2. So that means that 7, -2 is the point where they intersect. Consider that a bonus information, okay? Now what it asks us to do is change the slope-intercept form, the standard form. We did that in the previous assignment. So let's write it down. So we got equation 1. It's y equals 3x minus 23. And so we're going to do equation 2 over here. Y equals -2x plus 12. All right. Like we did on the previous assignment, in order to make it standard form, we're going to move the x over here with the y. So we're going to say minus 3x. So our new equation will be a minus 3x plus 1y equals a -23. That's our standard form. Okay. This can also be written where the x value can be positive. So 3x minus 1y equals a positive 23 is the exact same. These are the same. I just multiplied everything by -1. Equation 2. I'm going to move the 2x over here by saying plus 2x. Why am I saying plus? Because the 2 is negative. Here, the 3 was positive, so I said minus. Here, the 2 is negative, so I'm saying plus. I rewrite it. I have 2x plus 1y is equal to 12. I don't need to change anything. I don't need to change the minuses. It's nice and neat. You might see this answer like this or like that because they can write it both ways or here. So we have both of our answers. We have it in slope-intercept form and we have it in standard form. Okay, and that's how you do this assignment. When you have points, all you have to do is put these points into a table. These points right here, you put them in a table. -2, 10, 2, -6. You get this. This is going to be your equation 1. And you do this one. This is going to be your equation 2. Sounds like it's time for you guys to come to class. So I'm going to pause here. I want you to do this problem and write it out just like I have this one. I'm going to let that sit there. And then I'll show you the answer in just a minute. So pause the video and work.